McKernan, Vice President at Consortiq North America. Really appreciate everybody coming out here in light of the symposium. I thought it would be good to get people together. Eat the food, please. There's a ton over there. But I do want to introduce our CEO, Paul Rigby.
So when the FAA symposium got postponed and moved, we thought, let's make lemons out of lemonade. We all know this is where all the business gets done. So I just wanted to welcome you all to the Ram's Head, just across the road from our office here. So this is where we regularly come to strategize and work out what we need to do next in the industry. So now we've got all you guys to help us do that as well. So cheers, everybody.
Cheers.